friends, be here with another video for Whimsy Stamps, and today we're going to be creating a mini slimline using this stamp set, which is the Loads of Love stamp set, and of course the coordinating dies. I also have this die, the Field of Butterflies die set, the mini slimline rounded stitch die set, and the sun ray stencil. Let's go ahead and make a card. So here I have the biggest die of the mini slim rounded stitch die set, and I have cut it in white cardstock. And then I'm positioning the sun ray stencil where I want it to be. I am gonna flip it around and add a little bit of washi tape to secure my stencil in place. And then we're going to be using mustard seed distress oxide and squeeze lemonade to add some color to these. I am going to speed through this part and I'll see you when it's done. Once that's done, as you can see here, my stencil didn't reach all the way to the ends of my card. So what I'm gonna do is, with a squeeze lemonade, I'm just gonna add some ink there to not leave that space just white like that. So I'm just gonna go all the way around with this ink and fill a little bit those empty spaces. After that's done, here I have my Field of Butterfly die set. I have cut the grass and I have cut the little clouds and the butterflies. And then here I have some Twisted Citron Distress Oxide and Moulon. And all I'm doing here is just adding ink with Twisted Citron to the whole thing, and then I'm gonna come with Moulon and add some darker spots just to add some depth to this die cut. Then here I have the little clouds and I'm using a tumbled glass to add some color. Then I have my butterflies and I have divided them into 3 groups, and I am going to use saltwater taffy, Kirsch flamingo, and spoon sugar. If I have any leftover butterflies, which I think I will, I'm just going to save them for a future project. Here I'm stamping my images, and here I was telling you that I was gonna do these 2, but then I chose 2 that are in front of each other, like they're meeting each other, since this is about love and, you know, creating happiness and all that. So I wanted them to meet, kind of coming to each other and meeting in the middle. I am using Memento Tuxedo black ink to stamp, and I am stamping on Hammermill 100-pound cardstock. And if you want to see how I color these, make sure that you check the Whimsy Stamps Instagram channel or Instagram page, I guess, to see the full palette of how I color them. And then here is how they look like. Oh, I love them. Now I'm gonna use the outline dies to cut around them, and then we're gonna put everything together. Here I have all my elements, including my sentiment, constructing happiness. And then I cut a piece of white cardstock for my card base and matting on this piece of white, but I use spoon sugar to create a border there. And then here I don't want to put or glue down the whole piece of grass because the car is small, and if I do that I'm gonna have no space to put my trucks or anything else. So I'm just gonna add glue to the top part of my grass, glue it down and cut the excess. You'll also see me putting together the whole car, gluing the main piece to my matting and my card, and then adding my images, my clouds, the butterflies sentiment, and I'll see you when it's done. And here's how my card turned out, you guys. I love it so much. I love the little butterflies and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to join our Facebook group to share your makes. And I'll see you next time.